Hey everyone! Today, let's dive into how Noysi is revolutionizing team collaboration, transforming your workflow, and ensuring your team stays connected no matter where you are. So sit back and listen as I walk you through the core functionalities of Noysi that are specifically designed to enhance your team's productivity and collaboration. First up, your user profile and settings. By clicking on your avatar on the top left, you can access everything from setting your status to indicate if you're available or busy to adjusting your notifications and appearance settings. This personal touch not only keeps your team informed, but also helps in streamlining your workday. Now let's talk configuration. Here's where Noysi really shines for team leaders. You can manage integrations with tools like Zapier, Pabbly, Trello, and GitHub, tweak team settings, and oversee your team members effectively. Communication channels are next. Noysi offers both public channels and private groups. Public channels are perfect for broad discussions or announcements, ensuring everyone's on the same page. For more sensitive topics or focused projects, private groups provide that confidentiality your team might need. Moving to task management, Noysi's integrated task manager is a game changer. You can create tasks, assign them, set deadlines, and track progress all within the same platform. It simplifies managing team projects and personal tasks, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. And let's not forget about file management with unlimited storage. The ability to upload, organize, and share files smoothly is crucial. Noysi's file management system keeps all your documents neatly organized and easily accessible, enhancing the way your team collaborates on documents and projects. For those who manage tight schedules, the calendar and scheduling feature will be your best friend. Integrated with Google and Outlook calendars, it helps you manage deadlines, set reminders, and even schedule meetings directly within Noysi. It's all about keeping your team synchronized and on track. Video calls and conferencing in Noysi are straightforward. Whether it's quick one-on-ones or full team meetings, starting a video call is just a click away. And with screen sharing capabilities, it feels like you're collaborating in the same room, even if you're continents apart. Finally, inviting people to Noysi is a breeze. Whether it's bringing a new member into the fold or adding a guest for a specific project, the process is seamless, ensuring everyone has the right level of access to team resources and channels. By now, you can see how Noysi isn't just another tool. It's an integrated platform designed to elevate the way teams communicate and collaborate. It's about making your workflow as smooth and efficient as possible, enhancing not just your productivity, but also your team dynamics. Thanks for listening. Dive into Noysi and see how it can transform your team collaboration.